Huh?
Tata is
Sleeping? No, Tata is driving. That's so scary. That's so scary, Tata. Lily said you were sleeping while driving. Oh my gosh. That's so scary.
That's so funny.
We're going to have our photo shoot.
We have
You smile, huh? You pose, huh? Like a model.
going to the
Wow! Ano? Yay! Wow, smile, eh?
Look at the camera.
I see her.
I see her na. Yay!
Ay, kaganda man. Smile.
Yan, yay! Smile.
Sit.
Andok ka, andok. Ito, ate, hug.
Hug, Lily, ate, hug.
Yay!
Princess, eh.
Kuya.
Lily, you hug Lily. Sige na, hug.
Sige, hug.